Okay, good morning, children. Today I am going to tell you about Stephen reaction. Stephen was the scientist and he gave this reaction. In this Stephen reaction, we will convert nitrile compound. Nitrile group into aldehyde. Okay, now see how we will do it. First, suppose we are taking any nitrile group. Suppose I have taken R means any long chain of the hydrocarbon, methane, ethane, propane, butane, anything you can take it. Okay. And at last we can take nitrile group. So C triple bond N. Okay. This will react in the presence of diisobutyl aluminium hydride. Diisobutyl aluminium hydride. So in this case, what will happen? This is what? This will give its own hydrogen to carbon. One hydrogen will be given to the carbon and one hydrogen will be given to the nitrogen. So as it is giving hydrogen, so what the product will be, see here. As soon as it is giving, so this R, this one, then again I am writing this C, and as it has got one hydrogen, so it will be this one, because this one hydrogen have been attached with the carbon. Now earlier was triple bond, now one bond has broken, so it will be double bond, because by breaking one bond on this side to form the bond with the hydrogen. Then this is the nitrogen, and nitrogen has also lost one bond, so one hydrogen will be attached with this nitrogen also. Okay, and this compound is nothing but this is only said to be imine. IMINE. Okay, now see, now after this what will happen, see here, after this here hydrolysis will be there. That means water addition will be there. That means addition of water will be there. Now we know that water will be broken down into two hydrogen ion, okay, and one oxygen ion. Okay, now see what will happen. This both the hydrogen will be given to this nitrogen. Okay, both this hydrogen will be given to the nitrogen, and this oxygen is given to, and this oxygen will be given to this carbon. Okay, now as soon as this will be given, so what the product we are getting, see here. After that, see the product. Okay, this R, I am writing this R, this carbon C, this hydrogen I am writing in the same as it is. Okay, this is the hydrogen, separate this weight, sorry, this weight, this is the hydrogen bond, okay, with the carbon, this one. Now see, this is double bond, and here with the carbon what I have attached, oxygen, so this oxygen will be there. Okay, and this, whatever this nitrogen was separated, this N, one hydrogen already was there with this, and two hydrogen will be attached, so one hydrogen, one more hydrogen. So see what I have got finally, this is ammonia we have got, this is gas, so it will be released in the atmosphere, so it is gas. And at last what we are getting, aldehyde, this is only the aldehyde, CHO, RCHO, we can write in the form RCHO. Okay, and our aim was what, from nitrile to aldehyde, and I got from nitrile to aldehyde. So this is all about the Stephen reaction. I think you have understood this. If any doubt, you can ask. Okay, thank you.